Good evening, viewers, welcome back to our math class. Draw a truth table to show that P implies Q is equivalent to negation Q implies the negation P. Good. If you look at this question that we are given, in our table we are going to need P and Q, which is already what? Written out. We are going to need negation of P and negation of what? Q. So for this stage now, we have negation P, negation Q. Then what is negation of P now? You're going to have false, true, true. Then the negation of Q would be what? False, true, false, true. The next statement that I'm going to have over here is P implies Q. Don't forget, once you have something like this, in this form of conditional statement, the first one is called what? It's called the antecedent. While the second one is called what? The consequent. Now, if the antecedent is true and the consequent is false, your conclusion will be what? False. Now, let's take it nice now. If my antecedent, which is P, is true and the second one is false, the conclusion will be what? False. Otherwise, if it's quite different from this pattern, it's going to be true. True is true. False true is going to be true. False will be also what? True. Then the next one that I have on my table, I have the negation Q implies negation P. Now this is the contrapositive of this statement. Are you together? So in that case, I'm dealing with these two parts. Now, the negation Q is my antecedent now. This is my what? Antecedent. This is my consequent. Now, if my antecedent is what? True, and my consequent is false, then the conclusion will be what? False. Otherwise, it's going to be true. So, if my antecedent is true, and my consequent is false, our conclusion would be false. Otherwise, this is quite different from these two. It's going to be what? True. I have true. False is true. True is what? It's also true. So that is it. Bye bye. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more anxiety video.